Hello tech lovers, welcome you to my channel, and this is Tech with Bumi. In this video I'll be giving us tutorials on how to create a gig on Fiverr. Okay, as you all know, Fiverr is a very well known marketplace where you can become a freelancer. So if this is not to what you want to watch, why not watch this to the end and subscribe to this channel, and please like this video, share it out, and leave a comment. Watch this video to the end to see how you can create a gig from beginning to the end. It's a full tutorials. Okay, so without any further ado, let's just dive straight to the main topic of today. Cheers. Hello tech lovers, once again our topic is how to create a gig on Fiverr. Okay, so this is a complete gig to create. I'll show you step by step on how to do it. You can watch others of my videos so that you will understand how to set up a Fiverr account. So I won't be doing that in this video. So what you will do now is that if you don't have a Fiverr account, just go to my link in the description. The first link, you're going to see the Fiverr account, then you sign up for it. So follow the procedures and get started and create a gig to start making money from Fiverr. Then you watch this video to the end. I'm going to spill a secret where how you're going to make sales on with this Fiverr account you've opened. Okay, so now let's go straight to the main tutorials. So now I'm going to click, this is my dashboard on Fiverr, on my Fiverr account. Okay, so I'm going to create a gig. So it says create a gig. So now it's giving us a gig title, category, subcategory, and all that. So I'm going to fill that up right away. So I'm going to write here that I would set up Shopify and e-commerce email marketing flows in Career. Okay, so basically I said I would set up a Shopify and e-commerce email marketing flow in this. Okay, so I will set up Shopify e-commerce email marketing flow in Cavivo. So just perfect. It has if it's showing red, then you've existed the maximum. Okay, and if you come here, it's going to give you some suggestions, and there are videos on it if you don't know what to do. But if you follow the procedures in the video, you will not miss out anything. So it's actually for categories. Select categories. So it's under digital marketing. Okay, and subcategory email marketing. Okay, then these are the suggested categories, right? Digital marketing, e-commerce, and all that. So service type, you put your service type. Email platform support or email automations, cold email. We have so we're doing email platform supports. Okay, so this is gig metadata. Okay, email. So you choose what you want. Select two premium platform that you operate. I operate with GetResponse. Okay, so for now I'm going to put GetResponse and Mailchimp since we have to put two, but basically I use GetResponse. So if you scroll down, then you're going to get positive keywords. Okay, so now let's see so this is how to find your keywords. You come to what services you're looking for, and you search for email marketing, right? Can you see? So you can copy all this and put here and put on your keyword. So let's do it right now. I'll be right back. So we have to add 5. It says tag your gig with buzzwords that are relevant to the service you offer. Use alt tag to get found. So I already used 4. email marketing, Cavivo, email marketing flow, Shopify, email marketing, and that. So it's 5. Then I save and then I continue. It says, please note some category requires some sellers to verify their skills. Sure. So it's saying tag list more than, so I think I'm going to reduce some. Let's check this if it will go. I've adjusted it. Okay. So now we are going to put our price. Okay. I'll be right back. This is how you're going to put your prices and the scope. I put the basic, standard, and premium prices. Okay. And it's going to ask you for your delivery days. How many days do you want to deliver? We have the premium service, we have the standard service, and we have the basic service. So you set it up, you click what you need to click, just follow the step, you will not miss it. It's so easy to follow. Then you save and continue. So now I want to write about my gig. So I wrote my description. I said, thereby, my name is Elizabeth. I can help you set up your e-commerce sales funnel in Cavio. I know all forms of proven Shopify email marketing sector. Have you been driving traffic to your store, but little or no conversion? I will give a marketing strategy that can increase your ROI up to 45% as well as grow your brand. If you're looking for a sales and also keep them returning, then you are on the right gig. I specialize in executing detailed and conversion guaranteed step-by-step marketing strategies that will not only grow your brand but also scale up your earnings. Then I listed my offers and all that. So now I think let's scroll up. Then frequently asked question. If there's any frequently asked question, you can put it here so that the buyers will know before purchasing your gig. Okay, but I'm not adding any frequently asked questions, so I'm going to save and continue. So now get all the information you need from buyers to get started. Okay, so this is the next step. So if you need to ask your clients or anyone purchasing your order any question, then you click add question. So it's compulsory to add questions. So I added my question and I save and continue. So now it says how to get the most from your gig image. Okay, so now I want to add image to our stuff. I already created the image on Canva. So for now I'm going to add just one. This is my image. Let me download it. So it's been downloaded and I will come here. We can download, we can drag, and we can add a video, and we can upload 3 pictures, and if you have any document we can download. I have some works I've done, so I'm going to upload it later, but for the purpose of these tutorials I'm just going to add this picture to it. So then I save and continue. I can always edit it anytime. So it says you are almost done. Let's publish your gig and get you ready to start selling. So now I'm going to publish my gig, then I will show you. So your gig is open for business. This is the site. So if you come here, so let's click done. So I finally opened a new gig. So it says, congratulations on your new gig. What a perfect time to acquire some new skills. So this is it basically. So, and you will see it's active. So now let's see how it's going to show on the platform of Fiverr. So this is my gig. I'm going to put it in the description. If you need any of these services, I'm going to be creating more. So if you need any of these services, you can contact your girl and patronize me. Thank you so much for watching up to this time. I really appreciate it. And this is it. And My basic is saying $42 35. My standard price is 141, and my premium is 310. Okay, so without any further ado, I'm so excited to the end of this video, and thank you for watching. Watch others of my videos. Cheers. And let me know in the comment section, are you going to try setting up an account? Do not forget to check my descriptions for more details. Cheers. So, tech lovers, did you get value from this video? And if you did, please kindly like this video, share it out, and leave a lovely comment down there. And let me know also, are you going to create a gig on Fiverr? And remember, if you want to take your Fiverr journey, your freelancer journey to the next level, then you need to create a very strong 7 different gig. Okay, so you can use this example in this video to just create your 7 gig, and out of the 7 gig you will get clients. Okay, so thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. Do not forget to watch others of my video. Bye for now. Cheers.